Now, the deeper issue may be that Tyler Perry disrupts the mythology of moral superiority. In the Black community, one common narrative is that despite oppression, we had morals. Oh, we was oppressed, but we had morals. We had values. We stayed together and we respected each other. Now, I'll do another podcast because see that whole little section right there. But nostalgia can sometimes erase the suffering that existed inside those structures. Abuse existed, addiction existed, sexual violence existed, emotional neglect existed, colorism existed, patriarchy, however you pronounce it, existed, and silence existed. Children were often told to respect elders even when the elders were harmful, and that respect your elders was also used to control you. Women were taught to endure suffering as virtue, child. You're a woman. Being a woman, you got to go through some stuff. Men were taught emotional hardness as masculinity. What you up there crying for? Boys don't cry. Tyler Perry's stories often challenge these inherited ideas by exposing the damage underneath them. All this stuff, Tyler Perry exposes the harm. Let's look at the man in the mirror.